All right, people, we got another one. I hope you're all doing well out there, by the way. So today, brought you a nice one, very affordable earbuds, wireless earbuds. Okay, so this will last you over 5 hours playtime. It comes with a 5.0 Bluetooth technology, which is the latest Bluetooth technology out here. So this is IPX8 waterproof rated, 1 meters deep for 30 minutes. Okay, that's pretty cool. The box, all right, the charging box, the carrier is also does support wireless charging. That's a good thing. Okay, just bear all that in mind. The price is pretty affordable. I got this from Amazon, by the way, and I'm gonna leave the links right down below, so make sure to double check that out if you are interested. So I'm gonna talk, we're gonna talk further about it once I unbox it. I'm gonna leave all the links on the fixtures and details of the product on screen and right down below. So before all that, make sure to drop one of these. Sub to the channel if it's your first time out here. Share the video if it's any useful to you. Don't forget to turn on your notification. Turn on that bell. Ding, 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 ding. Turn on that bell so you won't be missing out when we drop something or when we go live. We love you all here and we love your support. So without further ado, let's do it. Bang! And let's get down to business. What's inside the box? What's inside the box? That's what we're here for. So let's check it out. Let's check it out, guys. So what we got inside the box? What's inside the box? We've got instruction book, a little more instruction right there, how to pair, and so on and so forth. Let this thing go. Okay, that's much better. Couple tips, ear tips. All right. This will go. We'll hook up to this. The USB cable, which is a normal USB 2.0, normal USB. On the case, it's magnetic case, by the way. All right, on the earbuds in there. Okay. So I'm gonna tell you a little bit about how to connect this thing, and we're gonna put it to the test. You can utilize it to pick up calls. So what we're gonna do now, we're gonna pair it. All right. So to do that, you have to, I'm gonna leave the instruction on screen as well for you to read. So you gotta take both of the earbuds out. Right. Now they're gonna pair. I'm not gonna put them in my ears for now. Yeah, then you go to your phone, put on your Bluetooth, right? Put a Bluetooth on and allow it to search. And now you should see TOZO. Let me have a look. I'll come back to you. So it's right here. TOZO T10R to connect just pair to pair. And okay. And now that is all done. All right. So let me see. So I'm gonna play some tune quickly, and let's see how this goes. So I'm gonna get pretty close to the mic now. I hope you can hear the sound. Normal volume. I can even hear the bass from here. I'm gonna put them on and see how they sound like. You know what? This is pretty well balanced. It's very, very bassy. I don't even know if I'm screaming right now because I can't even hear myself. The sound, you know, the outside sound cancellation works very well. Yeah, it's pretty loud. Let me put the volume down a little bit and see how deep, the depth of the sound. Yeah, this is pretty good, man. This is pretty nice, especially for the price. It's pretty dope. You can hear the sound. So yeah, this is pretty dope, man. This is pretty dope. I like them. Okay, I'm gonna do a full review about them on the next segment. So make sure you stay tuned for that. Okay. This was the quick unboxing of the TOZO T10. Okay. I'm gonna show you how to charge them wirelessly. I'm gonna put them back in there, see if the sound will cancel. By the way, this is comes with, it's all magnetic. So once you take it out, push it back in there, boom, it goes in by itself. All right. So let's charge this thing wirelessly and see if it works. All right. Let's see if this thing does charge wirelessly. If the case doesn't charge wirelessly, you should see the blue lights if it's connected, if it's working. Let's see. All right, that's the blue lights to confirm. Okay, I'm gonna turn off the light so you can see how the case, the LED light that indicates that it's charging. All right. So I hope you can see the LED light right here. All right, which means it's charging. That's a very good thing. So fully charged, this will, the earbuds will last you 5 hours, or over 5 hours, and with the case another 9 hours. Okay, you can charge your earbuds 2 to 3 times fully charged with the case when it's also fully charged. All right. So all right, ladies and gentlemen, boys and girls, that's pretty much the end of the video. All right, I hope that this was useful, and if so, make sure to drop one of these. Sub to the channel if it's your first time out here. Share the video if it's any useful to you. Don't forget to turn on your notification bell. Turn on that bell, ding 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 ding. Turn it on so you won't be missing out when we go live. We love you all here, and we love your support. As usual, keep it safe and keep it late. We shall surely see you on the next one. Thanks for watching. Let's do it, people. Bang, bang, peace out.